Dear friends, welcome to another exciting video. In this video, let's see how to make a Paschal candle. For that, you need a long pillar candle, white or yellow. While shipment, the candle got a little bit of damage. I'll get that corrected. You need a cross and then a alpha and omega and then the number of the current year, that is 2023. You can cut this using a color sheet like this. And then the cross, we cannot separate the cross from the section. Then glue and a lace for the border on top and bottom. This lace has a grape. Since wine is connected to a liturgy, I chose that. Let's first keep and see the measurements. Then we can stick. First the cross. Then the alpha. Christ says, I am the Alpha and Omega in the book of Revelation. And then the Omega. The Alpha is the first letter of Greek alphabet and the Omega is the last letter of Greek alphabet. This shows that Christ is the beginning and the end. And then the numbers of the current year, that is 2023. This symbolizes that Christ is present all the time, and all time, years, decades, everything belong to Him. Now let's stick this lace on both the corners, on the top and bottom of the candle. Which is embroidered with grapes figure. The grape is very much connected to our liturgy. Finally, this is the look of our Paschal candle, dear friends. Comment how it looks like. And then this 5 grains of incense symbolizes the 5 wounds of Christ. I made this just by mixing wax and incense. The prayer to bless this candle as follows. Christ yesterday and today, the beginning and the end, the Alpha and the Omega. All time belongs to Him and all ages. To Him be glory and power forever and ever. Amen. By His glorious wounds may Christ our Lord guard us and protect us. Amen. Then you can light the candle with a fire. You should bring the fire from the Paschal candle from your church. While lighting the candle, you should say, May the light of Christ rising in glory dispel the darkness of our hearts and minds. Then the head of the family will say, The light of Christ. All respond, Thanks be to God. With this, we have come to an end of this video, dear friends. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel, share it with your family members and friends, and support our channel. Thank you. Happy Easter.